Hi all, this is the 9th episode of the supplementary exam on anatomy and physiology that I prepared for you. Today we are going to discuss all about the kidneys. The urinary system is comprised of two kidneys, the ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. The functions of the kidneys include removal of waste products and drugs from the body. They balance body's fluids, they release hormones that regulate blood pressure, and they control the production of red blood cells. Urine is excreted from each kidney via ureter and stored in the bladder until urination. So let's look at one of the parts of the kidney, which is the renal capsule. So the renal capsule, these are deep layer of tissues surrounding each kidney. It protects and maintains the shape of the kidney. The next one will be the renal cortex. So these are superficial outer area of the kidney. It contains the initial filtering portion of the nephron, the renal corpuscle. The renal medulla are deep inner portion of the kidney containing the renal tubule portion of the nephron. It is essential for regulation of urine concentration. The next one will be the renal calyx. These are minor and major calyx. So these calyxes are structural component of the kidney into which urine ultimately drains. The minor calyx collects the urine from the pyramid. From the major calyx, urine drains into the renal pelvis and then out through the ureter to the urinary bladder. Another part is the renal vein. The renal vein carries the filtered blood from the kidneys to the posterior vena cava. The next one is the renal artery. They carry unfiltered blood from the aorta to the kidneys. The next one is the renal pelvis. It is a large cavity which collects the urine as it is produced, then passes it to the ureter for excretion. Now, the renal pyramid is the one responsible for filtering the blood and removing waste products from the body. Next one is the renal column. The renal column divides the kidney into 6 to 8 lobes. It provides framework for the vessels that enter and exit the cortex. Now the next one is the ureter. So it's a tube that connects each kidney with the urinary bladder. They transport urine from the pelvis to the bladder. So what are the major parts of the urinary system? These are the kidneys, urinary bladder, the two ureters, and the urethra. So the kidneys, they remove waste products from the body. The urinary bladder are temporary storage for urine, and the two ureters transports urine from kidneys to the bladder, and the urethra transports the urine from the bladder to the outside body. So question, where are the kidneys located? So they are located either side of the spinal column in the lumbar region, just underneath the rib cage. So question, what are the glands that are located on top of the kidneys? They are the adrenal glands. What is a nephron? It is the functional working unit of the kidney. Blood is filtered and toxic waste are removed. So what is erythropoietin? It is a hormone that affects the number of circulating red blood cells. They are produced by the... What are the main parts of urine production? They are glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, and tubular secretion. What is micturition? It is the process that expels urine from the urinary bladder. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe if you like to see more of these videos. Make a comment or request topics that you want to see to help you with your studies for your exam. Thank you very much and good luck.